Hi students, welcome to today's online class. So these classes are like revision classes for you as we have completed complete syllabus. So beginning from first unit, we need to revise some of the important questions. So as part of it, we will see the OSI model here. Just I will explain the architecture of OSI model. So as we learned already about it, it has 7 layers. So OSI model has 7 layers. In these layers, there are 2 systems, that are host 1 and host 2. So why we will use this model to transmit the data between the 2 systems, host 1 and host 2. So if you observe all the layers here, so as I explained, you can go through from the bottom. Please do not throw any name which start with Suresh or Swati purse away. It means first layer is what? Physical layer. So reversely, first layer will be application layer. Second is what? Presentation layer. Third one is session layer. Fourth is transport layer. Fifth one is network layer, and sixth is data link layer, and finally the last layer is physical layer. So any of the transmission medium is used to transmit the data from host 1 to host 2. You can observe here each and every layer of 2 host systems, and system 1 and system are interconnected with that protocol only. So application layer will use the protocol called application protocol, presentation layer uses the protocol called presentation protocol, session layer uses the protocol called session protocol, transport layer uses the protocol called transport protocol, and network layer uses the protocol network layer host router protocol. Data link layer uses a protocol data link layer host router protocol. Physical layer uses a protocol called physical layer host route protocol. These are the communication subnet, we call it as. So the way of transmitting the data can be called as, in a application layer, it is called as what? Application data unit. So application protocol data unit, we can call it as the part which is transmitting the data from host 1 to host 2. Whereas in presentation layer, it will be called as what? Presentation protocol data unit. In session layer, we will call it as what? Session protocol data unit. In transport layer, it is called as what? Transport protocol data unit. These are similar protocol names, the layer name followed by what? Data unit. That's it. You have to remember like that. Application protocol data unit, presentation protocol data unit, session protocol data unit, and transport protocol data unit. After that, there is a small difference here. So instead of having a data unit, that data unit, the transmission of data is named as what? Packet in a network layers. So the data, the flow of data can be called as in the form of what? Packet in a network layer. Whereas in data link layer, the data can be called as what? The data which is transmitting from host 1 to host 2 can be called as what? Frame. And in physical layer, the data will be called as what? Bits. We name it as what? Bits. So as we know, bit is also it may be for 0 or 1. So this is a complete architecture of OSI model. In your notes, you will see the detailed explanation of this. Everything will include whatever the topic I explained here. That only we will see there. So the thing is that these are host 1 to host 2 data is transmitted, and the data also transmitted from what? From host 2 to host 1 also, means forward and reverse. The process is what? Firstly, the data can be starts from application to presentation, presentation to session, session to transport, transport to network, network to data link layer. Finally, it reaches to physical layer. But these layers are interconnected in host 1 and host 2, as you observed in the diagram. It is must to draw the diagram in examination. Okay, thank you. We will see some of the important questions in the next class.